Mama.
I'm your mother.
Alright, what's up everyone? My name's Kian and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, please, this is my first video. I've been sitting on this for a while. It's 2025 and it's never too late to get started. Hit the subscribe button and like for more videos. But today I figured for a first video, I thought it would be really cool to start with something nostalgic. I've been holding a camera for as long as I can remember. As I was thinking about sort of what I would do to kick off my YouTube channel, I was inspired by my dad who dropped me like a whole box of old cassettes that's just been laying around in the closet for a long time. I immediately thought, like, wouldn't it be super cool to buy a digital converter and borrow my grandmother's VCR, because I didn't have one of these anymore lying around. Thank goodness she did. But to be able to take these old cassette tapes here and digitize them. And basically this ClearClick video to digital converter 3.0 allows you to capture video and audio. And so it comes with the video digital converter, also all of the cords and cables to be able to hook it up to VCR or any capture device and run it straight into this box. And basically what happens is you run it out of the VCR into this box, and then you can play it here, you can record right on the device, and it records also onto this USB stick, which you can then run into your computer. You can also record onto a micro SD card as well. So, and you can HDMI out, so you can go from this box into like a TV. So yeah, very easy. Took me about 2 minutes to set up. And so to go with that, I have this Panasonic cassette adapter. And so this allows you to go mini cassette into a regular cassette that can then go into the VCR. And it runs into this ClearClick video to digital converter. So we're gonna try this for the first time. And I'm really excited.
Mama.
I'm your mother.
My grandson is in there taking movies of me talking to you. So you take care of yourself.
That's the microphone.
Okay, you leave the white hair and I take you in the car and then you come back to the car again.
And I'm your grandmother, and I'm 67.
I hate these cameras too. Daddy had to buy one of these.
I hate cameras.
Bye.
So say bye to camera.
Bye, Grandma.
I hope you enjoy this video.